What do you enjoy most about volunteering at St Peter's Hospice?
The customers.
The diversity.
Just love it.
The people.
Just being here, I think.
Why do you volunteer here?
Because I have time, I'm retired.
Because it's great for my confidence.
Just because I think it's doing some good.
I think I've got as much out of it as hopefully the hospice have with me coming to volunteer.
What's your favourite task?
Displays.
Sorting.
Serving customers.
I'm sorting out the books.
I just do everything that I'm asked to do.
What skills have you gained?
Interacting with people.
A lot of patience and just being very positive.
How to price clothes and how to make tea.
Have you made any friends here?
Lots of friends.
Everybody here is lovely.
But we feel like a real team here. I've made some really good friends.
I love it.
Any great finds?
Just bought one today.
I do have a browse sometimes.
Top.
I let other people buy my clothes.
My wife's told me not to bring too much home, so.
It's hard to resist sometimes.
Come and volunteer at St Peter's Hospice. Pop into your local shop, visit stpetershospice.org/volunteer or call us on 0117 915 9448.